vulkan1.dll file was not found error fix. So if you want to fix if the vulkan1.dll file was not found, just go to your browser and type in vulkan1.dll download. You'll find the first link from dllfiles.com. So you want to simply open this link right here, and you can just click on download. So there are different versions one that you might have. You can just download it based on your system, by the way. So just click on the download button, and it will begin downloading the vulkan-1.dll file. Now it will actually download in a zip format, so we have to actually extract it. So just right click after you download it, and then you go to WinRAR and go to extract option. Now it will be in this kind of format, so if it is in vulkan1.dll format, it's perfectly fine. Now you want to simply copy this file, go to your C drive, go to Windows. First of all, you want to go to System32 and right click and paste the file here. Once you paste the file here, you want to come back again. Then this time you want to go to sys wow64 folder. So once you go here, here also you want to paste it, and once you've done that, your DLL file error will be successfully solved. I hope the video helped you. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.